First, remove the radius arm by pushing in on the spring plunger. Then, remove the top guard and yoke. To change the grinding wheel, use the supplied Tommy bar and wheel wrench. The Tommy bar goes into the spindle and the wheel wrench takes the nut off. Note that the nut is reverse threaded. To remove, turn it clockwise. You should now clean the track that the chrome yoke runs in. Cleaning and maintenance of the Blademaster table model is simple. If your table machine is equipped with a vacuum attachment, it is very easy to use. Simply connect it and turn it on. A vacuum attachment kit is also available as a retrofit. Contact Blademaster for details. Wipe down the casting channel and the yoke to ensure that there is no grit in the slide track. Remember, before you replace the wheel, ring it and listen to the sound. You should hear a nice clear ring. If it's a thud, the wheel may be cracked and should not be used. The wheel washer is placed between the wheel nut and the grinding wheel. When reassembling the grinding wheel, note that one side of the wheel nut has letters on it. This side must be face up. To reinstall the wheel, simply reverse each step and tighten securely. There are many different wheels available for different sharpening purposes. For more information, contact your Blademaster representative. Clean the threads of the 4 thumb screws before reinstalling the top plate. After you've reassembled the finishing head, make sure that the grinding wheel runs freely by turning it by hand. Changing the diamond is a simple process as well. First, make sure the grinder is off. Begin by loosening the screw on top of the radius arm that holds the quill in place. Then, unscrew the diamond bit. Check to see if the diamond is sharp to the touch. This is important because a sharp diamond enables you to better dress the wheel.